Viewers across Hampton roads have been dealing with high winds, snow, and bitter cold.
Yeah, our team has been working to keep you informed. Let's get one last look at conditions in Virginia Beach with Emily Harrison. Emily.
Well, Dana, if you're wondering just how cold it is out here in Virginia Beach, it's this cold. I would say it's this cold right now. This is an icicle that we got just hanging around here at the ocean front, and you can see the blizzard-like conditions behind me are continuing. Strong winds, frigid temperatures, and snow still falling down strong here in Virginia Beach. A lot of it is blowing snow just because of the sheer force of the winds, but make no mistakes, even in the headlights over here, it is still coming down very strong. So it's not just the blowing snow, and we'll continue to keep you updated with all of the developments, because even though it doesn't feel like it, one day all of this snow will melt and go away. Live at the ocean front, I'm Emily Harrison, 13 News Now.
All right, thank you so much, Emily.